Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a radio button in a fillable PDF form using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you need to create forms where users can select one option from multiple choices, like surveys, questionnaires, or application forms. Let's get right into it. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to Recent Files and select the file you want to work with. This will open your PDF document and prepare it for editing. Now, look at the left panel on your screen. Navigate to All Tools and click View More. This will expand the menu and show you additional features available in Acrobat Pro DC. From there, look for Prepare a Form and click it. This tool is specifically designed for creating and editing fillable form fields, making it perfect for what we need to do today. Next, click Create Form. This initiates the form preparation mode, allowing you to add various interactive elements to your PDF. In the left panel, you'll now see different form field options. Click Radio Button to select that tool. The Radio Button tool lets you create circular selection options that work together as a group. Now, place the radio button wherever you want it on your form. Simply click on the desired location and the button will appear. You can add more radio buttons if you need multiple options for your users to choose from. Just keep clicking to place additional buttons wherever they're needed. In the left toolbar, click the Select Text icon, then click the button and resize it to fit your form's layout. This ensures your radio buttons are appropriately sized and visually balanced with the rest of your content. Right-click on the radio button and select Properties. This opens the configuration panel where you can customize how your button looks and behaves. Click Options in the top toolbar. Navigate to Button Style and click the drop-down menu beside it. From here, choose your preferred button style that matches your form's design. Once you've made your selection, click Close to apply the changes. If you want to group your radio buttons so only one can be selected at a time, highlight the radio buttons you want to group, then right-click and select Properties. This grouping functionality is essential for creating proper radio button behavior where selecting one option automatically deselects the others. Click General in the top toolbar. Navigate to Group Name and type your group name in the text field. This name ties the buttons together as a single selection group. Next, navigate to Options and look for Radio Button Choice. Type Yes in this field. Then, check the box beside buttons with the same name and choice are selected in unison. This ensures that all grouped buttons work together correctly. Click Close to finalize these settings. Now it's time to test your work. Click the Preview button in the bottom left to test the radio button and see how it functions in the actual form. Try clicking different buttons to make sure they're responding correctly and that grouped buttons behave as expected. Once you're satisfied with how everything works, click Exit Preview in the upper right to return to editing mode. Finally, in the upper right, click the Save button to preserve all your changes. Your fillable PDF form with radio buttons is now complete and ready to be distributed or used. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.